In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert ChatGPT text to voice without using any extensions. If you've ever wanted to transform the text from ChatGPT into an audio file, this is the guide for you. We'll walk through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to understand. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and head to Google. Once you're there, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar. It's important to make sure you're on the official ChatGPT website to ensure the integrity of your data and the effectiveness of these steps. After hitting enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official ChatGPT website and click on it. This will take you directly to their platform, where you can access the chats you want to convert into audio. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, navigate to the list of chats typically found on the left-hand side. From there, you can select a chat that you wish to convert into a voice format. This could be a recent conversation or any archived chats that you'd like to revisit in audio form. With your chat selected, the next thing you'll want to do is type a specific prompt. For instance, you might write, "Generate an MP3 copy to download. Summary only. Use offline text-to-speech engine." This prompt will instruct ChatGPT to conceive a voice version of the text you've selected. It's a neat feature that makes accessing text in audio formats both practical and fun. When you're ready, go ahead and hit the Submit button. This will process your request, and shortly thereafter, a link or button to download the audio file will appear. Clicking this download button will begin the process of saving your freshly created audio file onto your device. Lastly, to check your downloaded file, navigate to the Downloads section on your browser. This is usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. There you'll see your new audio file ready to be played in your preferred media player or transferred to any device you like. Following these steps, you've successfully converted ChatGPT text to an audio file without needing any additional extensions. It's a handy method, especially if you prefer auditory learning or just want to listen to the content on the go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can now seamlessly enjoy your ChatGPT texts as audio files. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.